At makakasama din po natin ang DSWD Assistant Secretary si Irene Dumlao. Asek?
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang Department of Social Welfare and Development bilang lead in the Interagency Task Force on Zero Hunger is fully committed in addressing the issue on hunger and malnutrition. Alinsunod po sa vision ng ating pong Pangulo, Marcos Jr., na dapat wala pong Pilipino na magiging gutom. Kung kaya nga po, tinitiyak ng DSWD na nag-harmonize, nag-align yung iba't ibang mga programa at serbisyo ng national government agencies, and that would continue to partner with the private sector so that we could collectively come up with sustainable solutions that would ultimately address the problem on hunger and malnutrition.